It's March in Michigan, and that means Maple Sugar Festival here at the Kalamazoo Nature Center, one of our longest running public programs. For more than 50 years, we've been offering this weekend full of sweet fun for all. Come and join us.
Maple sugaring is one of the most dynamic and engaging ways that we can bring people out to the Kalamazoo Nature Center and help them understand and realize their connection with nature. Michigan is one of a handful of states that has the ability to produce maple syrup. The climate that we have here gives us these cold nights and warm days, which actually gives that sap the opportunity to flow from the roots down in the tree all the way up to the buds to start leafing out. When we tap our sugar maple trees, we want to make sure that we're only taking 10% or less of the sap that these trees are producing. That ensures that we're not hurting or killing the tree and allows us to protect this and other resources so that we can pass down these traditions for generations to come.